Hello and welcome to Thruline. Today I'm going to run through our manufacturing module and with that show you how to quickly create some parts and bill of materials, which I've covered in a previous video. So check out our parts app video if you're interested in a deeper dive in how to do those things. But first I'm going to head over to our parts, and today let's say I want to create glass jars, and for that I'm going to need two parts, a glass canister and then a lid. So really quickly, I'm going to add in those new parts. Let's call this glass canister, save, and then I'm going to manually add in or remove inventory. So here I'm going to put this into the main stockroom and add in 10 of these. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to do that again for our lids. So lids, save, add inventory. And this is manually adding in the inventory. If you're interested in knowing how to add in inventory through purchase orders, check out our purchase order video to get a deeper dive on how we do that through our purchasing module. So I'm going to hit save, and then I'm actually going to create one more part called completed jars. And for this one, I am not going to add in any inventory manually. So now that this is all set, I'm going to head over to our bombs, create a new bill of materials, and this is selecting the part that I want this to be for. Completed jars, you have two types, and then down here, we're going to be able to add in the bomb lines that are required for this part. So there's two parts that I just created, the canister, the glass canister, and then the lid, and I'm going to require one of each of these for this. So to create a completed jar, I need one glass canister and one lid. So I'm going to hit save and then head over to our manufacturing order module. Here you can see that you can add in a summary, and then down here select the part that's being produced. So I'm going to call this completed jars, save, part being produced. Oops, sorry. Part being produced is going to be completed jars. And then the bomb used is also the one we just created. So this should save, and because I'm creating one of these, it says one quantity is required for a glass canister and one lid is required. Once this looks good, you can adjust the quantity as you would like. But if I come up here and hit Plan MO, you'll see that this inventory reservation confirmation comes up. You can hit confirm if your order looks good, and you can see here that this quantity is now reserved. If I come back up here and hit start, this will actually deduct the inventory from your inventory quantities. So here you can see that the quantity used is now 1. And if I come up here and hit complete MO, put away location, I'm going to put this into the main stockroom and then hit complete MO. Great. This now says that this is all completed and that one lid and one glass canister has been used up. And if I head over to our inventory quantities, you can see here that we now have 9 glass canisters and 9 lids and then one completed jar. This is all tracked within the line itself. So here you can see that I manually added in 10 glass canisters a few minutes ago, and then I just used one up a minute ago to create those completed jars. And this is going to be the same thing for the lids. You can see that tracked changes on the line item itself. So again, you can use this for however many quantities that you want to consume. If I was going to make 5 jars, it would have created 5 of these and then deducted the same amount from the lids and canisters. So this concludes the run through of our manufacturing order module. If you have any questions about how to use it, feel free to reach out to the team and we're happy to help you get that set up. Hope you enjoy your Thruline journey and have a great day.